I think it's insane that I'm one lesson from finishing the foundations course of the Odin project, and they have not explained a single time how to actually get a website live. I'm 2 weeks into learning web development right now, and it's been a lot of fun. I'm learning HTML, CSS, JavaScript, how they all work together, all that type of stuff. But at no point in the course did they say like, okay, well, how do we actually make a website? They did explain toward the beginning how to do some kind of like GitHub website where you can have like some name.github.io/ whatever the hell you're working on, which is kind of interesting, but it's not, myfuckingwebsite.com or whatever. So I had to learn it myself. And I went down a rabbit hole trying to figure all that out. I bought a domain name, 4byte.dev. That was cool. I got web hosting, I don't know the right words for this, but I pointed the domain name to the web host with the name servers, whatever that's called. Then I had to figure out FTP. So I made an FTP account through the web host, got a FTP client, which I used WinSCP. It seemed like FileZilla was the most popular, but I kept seeing people on Reddit in different places say that like, oh, this is malware, or they show ads, or like there's some kind of horrible thing about it. So I was using WinSCP and I logged in there, got that working. And as soon as I dragged the files into the web server through the FTP client and the website went live, that was probably the best feeling I had since I started doing this. It's like just seeing your work live is crazy. But in the course, they tell you, don't go down crazy rabbit holes. So if you're learning all CSS stuff and you start seeing all these crazy CSS tricks, don't spend 5 days learning all these crazy CSS things because it'll distract you from kind of the more essential learning, which I just believe them on that point. So I was just staying focused on the course, but it's just weird that they never covered how to actually get a website live. I get why, because the course is supposed to be free, and buying a domain, buying a web host, those aren't free activities. You have to pay for those things. So it kind of breaks down what they're trying to do in terms of the entire course being free, but it's important. It feels like it's really important. It's fine to explore rabbit holes. I mean, if I didn't explore how to actually get a website live myself, I'd still be in the course with no website. So it's fun, it's cool, I'm excited. I'm gonna keep learning and finish this course tonight. I'm excited.